And here are the hand warmers charging. This is what it looks like. It has a double USB cord, USB-C, so we can unplug those. And this is what it looks like when it's charging. But this does have a interlocking, so you can put both of them together. That's what it looks like. So you can lock them together if you wanted just to have one big block compared to one in each hand. Okay, so a very nice size, very well made. They get really, really warm. You can press the button one time to show, or actually double click to show the power status on each one that's been charging. And then you're gonna press and hold for 4 seconds to turn them on. Once it comes on, they'll go to kind of an orange, and then that is level 1 right there. Press it again, level 2, and level 3. Let me turn this one on, and I'm gonna show you the difference in heat setting for 1 and the heat setting for level 3. So you've got a temperature gauge here. Okay, so level 1 is 114 degrees. You can see that, 112 degrees. And level 3, 122 degrees. So they get nice and toasty, that's for sure. So level 1 feels pretty warm and nice. You turn it up to level 2. So level 3 is feeling really hot. So definitely on a colder day, you would want these hot on the 3rd setting. To be able to keep your hands warm. All right, let's see what level 2 is saying. Yep, 117 degrees, 126 degrees. Yep, so these things are awesome. Definitely can have one in each hand, or like I said before, you can twist and turn them. I'm gonna lock them together, just like that, and then you can have one big hand warmer. But very cool. Very nice and warm and great to keep your hands warm. Highly recommend, definitely pick up a set of these.